Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep. Have you ever found some strain or tension in the wrist, some tightness in the wrist and the forearm? In this video we are going to cater two simple stretch to stretch the forearm region and also the wrist region, especially the forearm. So for this we will sit little with the feet apart. And after keeping the feet apart, we will place one hand like this as if the fingers are pointing towards us. After doing that, we will try and press the wrist down on the chair or towards the floor. As I do this, I will find a stretch. In case if you are not feeling it, then you can bring the fingers further inside and then press the wrist down. You can feel a nice stretch coming on the wrist. Practice initially with only one hand. Hold there for about 2 to 3 breaths and then come back. It will be always easier to start with keeping the fingers first little away from the body and then with practice bringing the fingers little inside. Now let me do it with the left hand. I keep my left finger and I will press. Some people who have a lot of pain because of carpal tunnel syndrome, they should be careful, they should avoid this because it can lead to a lot of undue pain, undue tension. It can sometimes lead to injury also. So you should take a little care. Maybe if you keep on practicing this little by little, you can improve. So putting the fingers a little in and then pressing the wrist down to the floor. If you are comfortable with the stretch, bring the fingers a little more inside towards you and then press the wrist down. And then maintain there for about 3 breaths. And release. Mostly with one hand it's a little easier. With both the hands it becomes a little difficult. So now let's do it with both the hands. For this we will keep both the little fingers closer to each other. And then we will place both the fingers in and then press the wrist down. You can find that as you do so, the stretch keeps on coming at the forearm. Maintain the stretch. As you stretch, if you are comfortable, hold. If you are feeling discomfort, just release it. Understand that you are here to release and reduce the discomfort, not to increase it. So understand the signals given by the body. After holding for about 3 breaths, come back and repeat it. So when you do it with one hand, you can repeat 2 to 3 times, then the other hand, and then both the hands 2 to 3 times. This is the first practice for the forearm. Now comes the second practice for the forearm. Something very similar, but the position of the hands are different. In the second practice, we will keep one hand. So right now I'm keeping the left hand straight from the elbow. And I will catch the right fingers with the left palm like this. And then I will pull the fingers in. As I do so, I can again feel a nice stretch in my wrist and also in the forearm. And then I maintain there for about 2 to 3 breaths. After 2 or 3 breaths are over, then you release your right hand and turn the left palm outward and downward. And then you once again catch the left palm with the right hand and this time you try to pull the fingers further in towards the forearm. Feel the stretch. It's a nice stretch. Hold there for about 2 to 3 breaths and then release. Here we are stretching the wrist and also the forearm. Especially the purpose is to stretch the forearm. Now let's do with the other side. Left hand. My right hand is straight from the elbow. I'm catching the right finger with the left hand and then I pull the fingers in. Keeping the elbow straight. Hold for about 2 to 3 breaths. Don't go beyond the point where the discomfort increases. Just bear this. And you will find that with practice, your range will improve. After 3 breaths are over, release your left hand, turn the right palm outside and downward, and once again catch from down. And then pull the fingers in towards you. As if the fingers are going to come towards the forearm. Maintain there for 2-3 breaths, and then release. You can also repeat this practice 2 to 3 times. If you practice this, a lot of stiffness that comes in the forearm can get released. most of the time the forearm is never really stretched. And these two simple stretch like this, and the second one will help to release the tension, the tightness from the forearm. Keep tuned to our chair yoga series. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, any queries, please do write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you. Namaste.